Wala bang masyadong volume yung hair mo? Baka ito na yung product na hinahanap mo. Hey everyone! Turo PH sent me their newest hair product. So let's style my hair using their Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. Or should I say, Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. Matte finish. Medium hold.
Wow! Excellent!
Well, with this hairspray, you don't only get to style your hair. You also give your hair some care dahil ilan sa mga ingredients nito ay aloe vera, glycerin at castor oil para moisturize and hydrated pa rin yung scalp and hair natin. Meron ding Himalayan and Epsom salt to give texture sa buhok natin. And I like how it looks kapag nag-dry down na siya. Very matte yung finish and may pagka-fresh din yung scent niya. I also like the nozzle cover kasi it's safe from leaking kapag nasa bag ko siya whenever I go out. It's also just easy to apply. Wala rin siyang lagkit feeling kapag ina-apply, which is very nice, especially when you're on the go. So if you want some texture, volume while taking care of your hair, this is already available sa Yellow Basket.